Okay, is there another idea to make these 2 steps holes? Yes, we can do that. Okay, if we go there, just let me show you in this case. Okay, so we have this 2 steps hole. We can do it by using Revolve Cut. Revolve Cut. How? I should make a new plane in 11 millimeters. Okay, so from this surface, okay, I'm gonna make reference geometry plane. Okay, it's not in this area, it has to be inside, so flip offset, and inside I'm gonna go 11 millimeters. So we have a new plane here. Okay, now in this plane, if we go normal 2, I'm gonna draw a center line. Okay, so this is the center line. Okay, make sure to make it vertical. Okay, this center line is in the x-axis 20 millimeters. So from this center to this edge, the length is 20 millimeters. Okay, 20 millimeters, as you can see. Now I'm gonna draw 2 rectangles. So 2 corner rectangle. One of them will be in this center line. Okay, not in the middle, in this center line. Okay, click here and go upright. Make it outside the body. Then another corner rectangle from this point and go down. So we made 2 rectangles. Okay. The length of this rectangle is 12 millimeters divided by 2, which is 6. So this is 6 millimeters. And for the other rectangle, has a dimension of 8 millimeters divided by 2, which is 4 millimeters. Okay, just radius. Okay, and we have also the dimension between this line and this edge. The length would be, okay, the length would be as we can see 5 millimeters. So it's 5 millimeters. Okay, should I make these 2 lines fully defined? No, because they will cut in the air. But I have to make this area and this area fully defined. So we have drawn this these 2 contours, okay, inside in 11 millimeters. Okay, now what should I do? I'm gonna make feature, then revolve cut. He said about the center line. Yes, which one? I have to click on this contour, and also I have to click on this contour. So he will make revolve cut for this contour and this contour 360 degree. Then click check. So he made it at once. Okay, sometimes we have different kinds of 2 steps hold. How can we? Sometimes you will find it like this. Let me just delete this a little bit. We'll do it again. Okay. Okay. Sometimes if you go normal 2, in some cases you will find it like this. Click here and go rectangle and go back, and he will give you the angle here, and he'll make also he gives you the dimension also here. Okay, so I'll give it the dimension and the angle. Okay, when we make okay, you will find that sorry, you can make a revolve cut. Sorry, feature, then Revolve Cut. What is the Revolve Cut? There's Revolve Cut. Okay, for again, sorry, edit sketch, feature, Revolve Cut for this area and this area, then check. Okay, sometimes the hole is like this. Okay, in some questions it's not always becomes like this straight. Sometimes it has an angle, so make sure to do that. Okay, and you can see it here. As you can see, it becomes like this. It has an angle. So we have two types of two steps holes. Some of them is straight, some of them in some questions, okay, it has like an angle. So now you have the idea here. Okay, so I'll do it again, delete, edit sketch. I'm gonna delete this one. Then I'm gonna do like this, click here, and click here, then trim. Okay, and we'll make this one is much, it's 12, so it's 6, we'll make it 6. Okay, then check, sorry, again, edit sketch, then feature. Okay, and what else we have? Okay, feature, then Revolve Cut for this area and this area, then check. Okay, now we can do the same thing. We can make a mirror for that cut. So for this cut, we'll make a mirror, okay, around the front. Okay, check. Now what else do we have? We have done these two circles. We have done this this arc. Now we have this this extrude cut, which is this T and this T. So as long as we can see it as a solid line, this is as a solid line, that means we will cut on this surface. Okay, so as long we see this T as a solid line, we have to do it on the surface. But if you see it as a dashed line, that means it's inside. That means it's not on the surface, it will be below the surface. Okay, so as long as we see it solid lines, so we have to draw it on this surface. So click on that, normal 2, then I'm gonna draw this T shape. Okay, and make it fully defined. Okay, so let's do it together. Push this a little bit. Okay, sketch, activate sketch. Sorry, I have to click again on this surface. I have to hide this plane, I don't want it. So sketch, click on this surface, sketch, then draw a line. I'm gonna start from this point, click, then go right until this point, click, then go down, click, then go right, click, then go down, click, then go again until this point. Yes, because this point and this point are vertical. So from here, click down, then go right, left, then go up. So we did this T. We make this T shape. Now we have this length is 20. Okay, and I have to tell him that this point and this point has a relation, vertical relation. Check. Then we have this length is 40. Then we have this length is 5. And also we have this length is 7 millimeters. So our T is fully defined. Now feature, extrude cut. What is the depth of this extrude cut? It is for the extension. We have it here. Then the extrude cut will be 20, so 20. Check. Okay. Now we made it. We made this cut, and the length is 20. Now because we have another T here, so we have to click on that cut, then make a mirror around, front or top or right. Obviously it will be on through the front. Then check. And this is the answer of question number 4. I hope it's easy to you now. Okay, thank you very much. We're going to question number 6. Okay, question number 6. Now before we do it, try to do it yourself, and then after that you can see the video.